I know exactly what to do to be rich.
Cash just keeps flowing into my life.
You know exactly what
Cash
to do
just
to be
keeps
rich.
flowing into your life.
Knowing
Cash
what
just
to
keeps
do
flowing
to be
into
rich.
life.
I do what it takes to be rich.
I am rich now. You are rich now. Being rich now.
You know what it takes to be rich.
I perceive
Knowing
opportunity.
what it takes to be
You
rich.
perceive opportunity. Perceiving opportunity.
I'm a success type. You are a success type.
I'm quick to decide and act.
Being a success type.
You are quick to decide and act on good decisions.
I command all beliefs that stand in the way of financial wealth to dissipate and dissolve now.
Being quick to decide and act on good decisions. I make products and services that people want. You make products and services that people want. Making products and services that people want.
I command all beliefs that stand in the way of financial wealth to dissipate and dissolve now. I command all beliefs that stand in the way of financial wealth to dissipate and dissolve now.
You are doing it.
All beliefs that stand in the way of financial wealth dissipate and dissolve now.
You are responsible for your wealth.
I am happy to be rich.
The world is a mirror of me. The world is a mirror of you. The world as a mirror. I achieve more with less effort.
You are happy
achieve
to be
more
rich.
with less effort. Achieving more with
Being
less
happy
effort.
to be rich.
My life is fascinating. Your life is fascinating.
I am
Life
rich
is
here now.
fascinating.
You are rich here now. Being rich here now.
I can afford it. You can afford it. Being able to afford it.
I've always been rich. You've always been
I
rich.
turn ideas into actions.
Always having been rich. I can predict good investments.
You turn ideas into actions.
You can predict
Turning
good
ideas
investments.
into actions.
Predicting good investments.
I'm here to serve. You are here to serve.
I treat customers like royalty.
I'm rich beyond my wildest dreams.
You treat customers like royalty.
I'm rich beyond my wildest
Treating
dreams.
customers like royalty.
I am rich beyond my wildest dreams.
I do business from the heart.
You are rich beyond your wildest dreams.
You do business from the heart.
Being rich beyond one's wildest
Doing
dreams.
business from the heart. I create consistently good value. I create consistently good value. You create consistently good value. creating consistently good values. I bring value into people's lives. You bring value into people's lives. Bringing value into people's lives. I make people's lives better.
I know exactly what to do to be rich. You know exactly
I
what to
make
do
people's
to be
lives
rich.
better. You make people's lives
Knowing
better.
what to do to be rich.
Making people's lives better.
I do what it takes to be rich.
Making another $1 million is easy for me. Making another $1 million
You know
is easy for
what
you.
it takes to be rich.
Making another $1 million
Knowing
is easy.
What it takes to be rich.
Cash just keeps flowing into my life.
I'm a success type. You are
Cash
a
just keeps
success
flowing
type.
into your life.
Being a success type.
I command all beliefs that stand in the way of financial wealth
Cash
to
just keeps
dissipate
flowing into
and
life.
dissolve now.
I am rich now. You are rich now.
I command all
Being
beliefs that stand
rich
in the way
now.
of financial wealth to dissipate and dissolve now.
I perceive opportunity.
I command all beliefs that stand in the way of financial wealth to dissipate and dissolve now.
You perceive opportunity. Perceiving opportunity.
Financial wealth.
I'm quick to
Dissipate
decide
and
and
dissolve
act on good
now.
decisions.
I am happy to be rich. You are happy to be rich. Being happy to be rich.
You are quick to decide and act on good decisions. Being quick to decide and act on good decisions. I make products and services that people want. You make products and services that people want.
I am rich here now. You are rich here now.
Making products and
Being
services
rich
that people
here
want.
now. I've always been rich.
You've
I'm
always
doing
been
it.
rich. Always
You
have
are
been
doing it.
Rich.
Do it. I am responsible for my wealth.
I can predict good investments.
You are responsible for your wealth. Being responsible
You can
for one's
predict
wealth.
good investments. Predicting good investments.
I treat customers like royalty. You treat customers like royalty. Treating customers
The world
like
is a mirror
royalty.
of me.
I do business from the heart. You do business from the heart.
The world is a mirror of you.
Doing business
The
from the
world
heart.
as a mirror.
I create
I achieve more with
consistently
less
good
effort.
value.
You achieve more
I create
with less
consistently
effort.
good value.
achieving more
You
with
create
less effort.
consistently good value.
My life is
Making
fascinating.
consistently good value. I bring value into people's lives. You bring value into people's lives.
Your life is fascinating. Life is fascinating.
Bringing value into people's lives.
I can afford it.
I make people's lives better. I make people's lives better.
You can afford it.
You make people's
Being
lives
able to
better.
afford it. I turn ideas into actions. You turn ideas into actions.
Making people's
Turning
lives
ideas into
better.
actions. I'm
Making
here to
another
serve.
$1 million is easy for me. Making another $1 million is easy for you.
You are here to
Making
serve.
another $1 million is easy.
Being here to serve. I'm rich beyond my wildest dreams. I'm rich beyond my wildest dreams.